Welcome to a new way of after-sales service for machines and equipment right here in India. We are bringing a special service solution to change the industry for machine manufacturers across our country. Imagine each of your manufactured machines at customer locations, from busy Mumbai factories to quiet Chennai workshops, each with a QR code. This easy feature opens a world of information, making it easy for your customers to get after-sales service. Think of a business owner in Delhi quickly scanning the QR code on a machine. This one scan connects them to the after-sales service they need, improving their experience. See your customers in Kolkata using just one scan to get to all of service history and manuals. This instant access to important information makes their work smarter and quicker. Move to a busy Bengaluru office where supervisors use our easy mobile app. With a few taps, he assigns engineer in Pune a service call, making sure allocation is quick and spot on all over India. Watch an engineer in Pune as he executes the guided checklist with proof at the customer site. This standardized and transparent way of working builds trust and makes customers happy. When the job is done, an instant digital service report ready for a customer approval with digital signature. This easy process cuts down on paperwork and takes your business to corporate standard. Picture Sysma app as your supervisor that watches services from Jammu to Kochi, making sure every problem is noticed and every service promise is delivered, keeping service at its best. Join this new way of digital service. Get in touch with us for a demo and make your after-sales service better. Be part of making India's after-sales service simple and digital.